Hi guys, today I'm going to be doing a makeup transformation video. That seems to be a trending video and I wanted to do something that everyone might be drawn to more than maybe my last video where it was like a get ready with me and like get to know me type of thing. But yeah, and if you can't tell, we're in a different environment. This is just my room. I just thought that this would be a good change because in my last video in my bathroom, the like wall is just so plain. It kind of bothers me because usually you see other people and they have like really fun backsplashes or something, and it wasn't, so I just thought I'd change it up, you know? So yeah, I don't really know. I don't have a picture that I'm trying to like copy or mimic, so this is going to be strictly just me and what I think changes my face more than just regular makeup. I'm gonna put my hair back. If you guys see me look down like this way or something, I have a mirror. So I'm using the same foundations as last time, but like I'm using two to mix them so that I don't look super pale, which is gonna happen regardless because I am just pale. But I'm trying to avoid that as much as I can without looking like a clown. Everything that could possibly be going wrong right now is going wrong. Okay, go in with some concealer. And I'm gonna be super crazy today. I'm gonna contour my nose, or try to. I watched Bailey Sarian's last video, and her personality cracks me up, and I constantly just think about that while I do this, and I'm like, I need to be more myself and just like the weird person I am, but I'm still trying to learn to get used to being in front of the camera and like being comfortable in front of the camera, and it just sounds so much easier than it is. I can't wait to have to deep clean my lashes for this. What colors should I use? Let's do dark. No going back. I feel like we're getting somewhere. Does it look awful? Maybe it does. What have I done? If you weren't concerned before, be concerned now. Okay. When I went in the bathroom to look, it looked even worse. Next, I usually don't do my brows because when I do, they look really humongous and bushy, but for the sake of the video, I'll do them. I mean, they look huge, but it's more like awful. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead, do my hair real quick, throw on a lipstick, and then I'll be back with the final result. So right here is where I should have had the final look displayed in video footage, but unfortunately I lost that. So the only footage I have is in the outro with me talking. So, sorry about that. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed, and please come back for more.